Okay, Assalamualaikum and a very good day to you all. This video is the part 2 for domain and range. So I really recommend you to watch the part 1 first before you proceed to this one. Okay, because I might say something that you cannot catch up. Okay, so let's continue with the next function of cubic. So let's say we have minus 2x plus 3 cube minus 1. Okay, so how we are going to solve this one? We need to find the turning point. Yeah, how to find the turning point? Okay, turning point is easy. This one we take x plus 3 equal 0, so minus 3, and then the y is just take everything over there, minus 1. Okay, so the turning point is at minus 3 minus 1. So this is our turning point. Okay, now we know the turning point is, let's or maybe we put the turning point first over here. Okay, so x1 minus 3 minus 1 is somewhere here. Okay, so let's claim this is minus 3. Okay, and this is minus 1. Okay, now so we know we have the point already, so we want to know which type of curve that we are expecting. So where to look? We look here. Okay, the coefficient of the bracket, the bracket of cube bracket over here. So the coefficient is minus 2. Since minus 2 is less than 0, so the curve is something like this. Something like this. So this is our point. So we do that, and then we continue with that. Okay, so that is the functions. Oh, maybe I extend this over here and over there. So I need to make sure whether there's a intersection or not. Okay, so we want to find y-intercept. Okay, y-intercept when x is 0. So y equals minus 2, 0, 0 plus 3 cube minus 1. So what we have is minus 2, berapa tu? 3, 3 to the power of 3, 27. Okay, minus 1. So we have 54, 56 lah. Yeah, maybe I check with the calculator first. Oh my god, I cannot mental calculate. 55, sorry, 55. Okay, so it's minus 55. So that's a y-intercept. So maybe I extend it long enough, okay, for the intersect over there. Okay, so the intersection is minus 55. So this is our function of fx. Now, what is the domain in range? The domain of f, okay, domain, okay, it's all possible x values. Okay, so if we have a line here like this, okay, and then we start move it from left to right. As you can see, the red vertical line always touches the function until over here also. Okay, so it means that every x correspond to the value of y, okay, or the image. Every object correspond, or every object can be insert in the function. So the domain is real number, or minus infinity, infinity. Okay, range of f is, we take a horizontal line. So we start when we start move. Okay, so when we start move it from down here going up, the red line always touches the function. So it means that for cubic function as also, the range is also real number. Okay, done. That we have done for cubic function. Okay, now let's move on to maybe cubic. After cubic, surd. Okay, so let's say we have mx. Mx equals 2 minus surd 2 minus x. Okay, so let's sketch it first. Now for surd, we need to know where the point that we want to draw the line from, like that. Okay, it's either the first one or the second one or the third one, and so on. So where to find the value? X is from here, so 2 minus x equals 0, x equals 2, while y is someone outside the surd, which is positive 2, so y is 2. So therefore the starting point is at 2, 2. Okay, starting point at 2, 2. Now we know it's 2, 2 somewhere here. Okay, just claim it as 2, 2. Okay, this is y, this is x, but we don't know whether it moves like this. Okay, we want to make sure whether it's going up to the right or up to the left, or down to the right or down to the left. Okay, so we are going to find out. Yeah, so how are we going to find out? Easy. First, we look at the coefficient in front of the surd, just in front, not this one. 2 also in front, but it's quite far away. Okay, we look at the coefficient of the surd. So the coefficient of surd over here is minus 1. Minus 1 is less than 0. Therefore, the curve that we expect must be the one below x-axis. Okay, so it's either this one or this one, not these two. These two is up. It's above the x-axis. Okay, so we already know the graph going down. Okay, now we want to know whether it's going down to the right or going down to the left. So we look at the coefficient of x inside the surd. Okay, so when we look, it's minus 1 also, less than 0. So the graph is going to the left. So what we have is from starting point, we need to sketch going down and to the left. Okay, now the problem is, as you can see here, our line is next to the origin. So maybe our line is like this or like this. Okay, so how we're going to know that? Easy. We need to find the value of y-intercept. Okay, y-intercept is when x is 0. So y equals 2 minus 0. Okay, so we have is 2 minus surd 2. I believe it's a positive number. Okay, sorry, minus 2. It's a 0.585. So 0.5859. Okay, so it's a positive number. So y is positive. When we compare the purple one, the purple, sorry, that's pink, purple and green one, we want the y to be positive. So we reject the green one, the first one I made. The purple one also reject. We are going to, the correct curve is the pink one. Okay, so maybe I make it nicer by scaling it up. Okay, so maybe it's 2, 2 over here. Okay, 2, 2, and then we tarik like that. Okay, I think so. Okay, so this is 0.5859 somewhere here. 58, ya Allah, 5859. Okay, yes, and this is our function. Don't forget to label the function. Yeah. Now from here we want to state what is the domain of M. Yeah, domain is, okay, don't forget just now, domain is the all possible value of x. So from negative infinity, you see all correspond, right? It touches, right? Okay, like that. Okay, now we move. Okay, when okay, so now we move from left, right? As move as the green line move towards to the right, It always touches from minus infinity until 2. After 2, it doesn't touches. Doesn't touch. It means that there's no x that can be put inside the function. Okay. Okay, so it starts from 2 until minus infinity. So that is the domain. Okay. Domain is from minus infinity until 2. Okay, so 2 is included because it's a part of the function. Yeah. Okay, now how about the range of m? Okay, range of m, maybe I use different color, orange lah. Okay, now we start the orange here, the orange color here. Okay, and then we move this line from down here. Okay, I know you see the line doesn't touch us, but as I said, you see this scale here. Okay, the scale is up until there. It's like our TV screen. Okay, actually it touches because the pink line extend beyond the frame. So it touches lah down there. It touches. Okay, so we move touch up until y equals 2. Above that, beyond that, it doesn't touches. It means that there's no y defined or there's no y produced from the function. It's not possible to produce 3. Okay, it's not possible to get y equals 3 and then we find the x correspond to it. Cannot. So the range is from minus infinity until 2. Okay, so that's for Surd and what's this? N cubic. So maybe since it's 10 minutes already, it's too long for you to focus. So I will make a part 3 video after this. Yeah. Okay. Thank you for your time and attention. Assalamualaikum. Have a good day.